Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fam 2 Cents cooking video, and today I'm doing another versus video similar to the grilled cheese one that I did, but this time we're doing it with hot dogs. We're cooking them 4 different ways. As you can see, I scored the one that's going into the air fryer, and I also did the one that I'm going to be pan searing, but we're cooking them 4 ways. We have the air fryer, we're pan searing one, we're doing one in the, we're boiling one, and then the other one is going into the microwave. Now, I wasn't really hip to like pan searing hot dogs the way that you're seeing me do this now until I got with Squishy, because this is the way she cooks hers. It was usually either toss it in the air fryer, actually fry it, which is not one of the options that I picked this time around, or if you wanted to be do it the quickest way, you know, the microwave was always a good way to go. Now I have to admit, I ever since I was a kid, I wasn't too crazy about boiled hot dogs to begin with, and as an adult I have even less of a taste for them, because, you know, you just boil all the flavor out of it and then you eat it. I mean, and I understand that these are just hot dogs, but, you know, it is what it is. But me and Squishy, we go through each one and we test them all out and give our general opinions and rank them from best to worst. And you get to see us do that now, so hopefully you guys enjoy it, and let us know down in the comment section after our commentary what your favorite is. Okay, so me and my wife are gonna taste test these. I don't know if you guys can see me very well. This camera angle, we don't have a camera person, it's just us. So let me see if I can see you. Okay, there you go, pretty girl. Alright, so I made these 4 ways. This one right here is air fried. So you want to try that one? Try the air fried one and see how that one tastes. That one almost tastes barbecued. A little bit. This one is pan fried. This is the way you like it, the way you usually make yours. This one tastes more, more charred than that one does. That one's the microwave one. Oh. Microwaved is the way I used to eat them as a kid.
Oh. Oh, that's up to date.
You ever had a microwave hot dog?
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately. I mean,
Man, when you need a quick hot dog, you gotta.
yeah, it's not bad.
I'm not eating a boiled hot dog.
Come on.
I'm not eating a boiled hot dog.
What? You just try it.
They're gross.
We have to give a rating.
But they're gross.
Okay, well, we'll find out. That is gross. All the flavor, I mean, not that a hot dog has like is bursting with flavor, but why are you giving me the stanky face?
That's disgusting.
Okay, so which one would you say is first? The pan one, and then what? The air fry, then microwave, then yeah, I think so. 4 ways to cook a hot dog. Not all of them takes a very long time. The hot dog, the pan seared one took a couple minutes. The boiled one, as long as you boil the water ahead of time, that takes like maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Microwave was in there for about a minute, and it had to air fry for 4 minutes. So yeah, no boiled hot dogs.
Bye.
Bye, Squishy. Thank you for helping me. I love you. I'm sorry.